Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
To all my channel viewers, happy Krishnastami. Today I am going to prepare healthy and tasty peanut ladoo. Come on, let's get started the process. The required ingredients are peanuts 1 cup, jaggery half cup, and ghee. Take a pan, add peanuts into it. Fry it for 2 minutes. Now switch off the flame, cool it for 5 minutes. Now take a blender and transfer peanuts into it. Add half cup jaggery into it and grind it into a coarse powder. Now transfer it into a bowl and add ghee. Mix it well. With this mixture, make laddus. Now transfer these laddus into a serving plate. That's all, the healthy and tasty peanut laddu was ready. Serve this laddu as a naivedyam to the Lord Krishna.